So now I'm going to show you something different I created with fruits and chocolate. So I'm going to show you how to make chocolate and fruit sushi for dessert. So I hope you enjoy the video. So first of all, I used banana and mango, and I will cut the banana this way and peel it. So like that, sorry. And then the mango. Slice the mango and peel the skin and then chop it into strips like that. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how to load the chocolate sushi. So about 120-30 grams of sushi rice and spread it again. Okay. And sprinkle some chocolate and turn it and add melted chocolate inside. You could add soy sauce, sesame oil into this to give interesting flavor, but today I just use dark chocolate inside. And put mango and banana. Roll it. I think now you are expert of loading sushi. I hope. Yes, I could sprinkle the chocolate again so that we won't make a mess. So like that. And then how to cut? Same way into 8 pieces. So like that, a little bit. Drizzle some like that. Okay.